Sensibility and practicality define the 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a power seat, an outside temperature display, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and seat memory. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.